How food can improve your mood. The field of nutritional psychiatry highlights the crucial role diet plays in mental health. A balanced diet can help mitigate stress, anxiety, and depression. People following a Mediterranean diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, olive oil, and fish, show lower risks for depression. Such a diet could be more beneficial for mental health than mere social support. The link between diet and mental health resides in the intricate relationship between our body and brain. Physical activity significantly improves mental health, and nutrition's impact is equally important. The gut microbiome, trillions of microbes in the digestive system, plays a key role in influencing mental health. Nutrient-dense foods nurture these microbes, leading to better mental health. The gut communicates directly with the brain via the vagus nerve, producing mood-regulating neurotransmitters, including serotonin. This two-way communication system allows neurotransmitters to constantly interact, affecting our mood. A diet focusing on a variety of plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, beans, herbs, and whole grains can enhance mental health. Avoiding ultra-processed foods and creating an emotional connection to food can nourish the mind and soul. Some mood-boosting foods include omega-3 fatty acids, cruciferous vegetables, fermented foods, spices, beans, and leafy greens. These foods can help improve mood disorders, reduce inflammation, and enhance the brain-body connection. For more information, like and subscribe our channel.